Hello guys, Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're gonna fix a Samsung Galaxy A51 with a broken display, and we're gonna apply a screen replacement on this bad boy. And you can see the slight hint of crack on the glass right there, a diagonal crack. It's eerily straight from the bottom left to the middle top right of the device. And first off, we're gonna remove the back cover of this smartphone to start off the repair. And right here you can see that the A51 is very simplistic in its design, not much cover, unlike what you see on higher end Samsung smartphones and even Xiaomi's smartphones. And we're gonna remove the SIM card tray since it will prevent us from taking apart the device. And this one is a good choice. Not much drama when you remove the side cover because the chassis is also minimal. It's a middle plastic and all the components are attached to the LCD, so to speak. And we can remove that connector and test our replacement display to see if it works. And we're gonna try to plug it in first, and it works. So as you can see, the battery is at 97%, and you can see David here trying to bypass the power button. He's really good at this. He's been working with Samsung smartphones for many years now, and he's got the tricks that even us in the shop doesn't know about. And here we have the main disassembly and the fitting of the replacement display since there's no chassis to align the camera. And we're gonna put back all the things that we've removed from our disassembly to the smartphone. Right here. We're just basically transplanting everything. This one is the battery and the daughter board at the bottom. And you can see even the motherboard on the A51 is also very minimal. It's not that robust when you pair it side by side with higher end smartphones. And this is typical when you have smartphones that are geared towards the entry level to mid-range. This is functional. It works just fine, and all it just lacks is the finesse, I think, and all the niceties of the higher end smartphones, but it works. And we can put back the shroud, or the AKA the middle part, and the side cover of the smartphone. And you can see that it's not really waterproof since it just snaps on like this on the sides, which is good for repair, but not really good for waterproofing since waterproofing is done with adhesives. And let's test it. Yep, it works. And all we need to do now is to fix it up, reassemble the whole thing, and give it to the customer. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy A51 or other smartphones that you need to have fixed, just go to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we're gonna fix it for you. If you have smartwatches, iPhones, tablets that you want to revive from and save it from the bin, you can go to us and we'll give it a refresh. And you can see here, just by replacing the front display, the screen, it just makes the smartphone look brand new. And the back, not really a problem because you don't see it a lot, and you can cover it with a phone case, and it's done. So if you like this video, guys, click like and subscribe, message us over Facebook. And this is a successful repair of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Till next time, guys, cheers.